loading stuff. Great work. All the stuff's in the truck. Okay, let's go. Tap the green arrow in the upper left to go. Drag stumps, limbs, yard bags, or leaf cans to the hopper at the end of the truck. Tap the green knob at any time to operate the compactor to squish everything. Good job. All the stuff's been loaded into the truck. Okay, let's go. Tap the green arrow on the upper left to go. Hello! 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 Drag stumps, limbs, yard bags, or leaf cans to the hopper at the end of the truck. Tap the green knob at any time to operate the compactor to squish everything. Tap the garbage man if you need help loading stuff. All the stuff's in the truck. The truck is getting full. To go to the dumping facility, tap the blue button on the upper right. To continue on your route, tap the green arrow on the upper left. Hello! Hello? 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 Hello. This is the compost facility. This is where we dump the
Hello.
This looks like a good spot to stop. Tap the red blinking knob on the side of the truck to open the truck's hopper. Now tap the red blinking knob to raise the truck's tank and the truck's empty. Tap the red blinking knob to lower the tank. Now tap the red blinking knob to close the hopper. This pile of stuff needs to get squished. Tap the blue button in the upper right to call the compactor truck.
This is Brushy Pickup, ready for the compactor. Over and out. This is the master truck. I'm on the way.
Touch and drag. Good job. That pile is really mashed. Okay, let's go. Tap the green arrow on the upper left to exit the compost facility. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.